Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by my channel. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for subscribing. If today is your first day coming across this my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for me. Turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to notify. If you are subscribed before, thank you. God bless you. Just a little short video of my farm, the farm where I work. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.